Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you the Monopoly reward code according to the latest update. Here you can see this is for today, where you can find the rewards and free dice. Now from here you have to go to the AOE.com. So you actually find this website here where you can find different types of code that you can use to get these rewards. Now here is claim link where you can find the claim link also. So from here you can find the date, and here is the code that you can use like this one, and you can get this rewards. Or here is the claim link that you can simply click on it, and it will lead you to the Monopoly Go. And some titles might be expired for overuse or limit its users limit. So reach is users limit, so you have to try one by one and see which one actually works for you. Or you can do is you can copy this code and paste it on your Monopoly redeem section, where you can get the free dice roll, premium sticker pack, unique token, and cash and more. So that's how you can just simply do it. And here you can see the trustworthy of this website is here, the Trustpilot, that is you can get it without any type of scam. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.